welcome back to Elegant Arrangements. I know it has been a while, y'all, since I've been on here. Today I have my little host with me, my little 5-year-old. Say hey, baby.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, so today we are going to make a Christmas deco mesh wreath, basic wreath. I don't know, you see some of the things that I have on the table, but I don't know if I'm going to use all of this stuff. It's not a lot, but I really haven't thought about exactly what I'm going to use. So, yeah, let's get started with this in a second. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I got a lot of new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I so appreciate you. And thanks for the support, for coming in, tuning in, you know, sitting back, relaxing, watching my videos. I really appreciate that. I want you guys to continue to do it. And I've got a lot of more other videos coming right now. Everything kind of in slow motion with me. But yeah, I wanted to just come in here and do some type of Christmas video. And I need to make a wreath for Christmas. So this was actually perfect. Alright guys, so let's get started with this video. I'm going to start with my wreath that I got. I got this from Michael's craft store. And this is about, let's see how many inches this is. This is 12 inches. And I just want to use one solid color basically. And just add on, you know, my ornaments at the end or whatever. So, for my wreath form, I got this at the Dollar Tree. And I have different colors for my chenille stems. But you won't be, once I put everything on, you won't be able to see the color. You actually won't be able to see the chenille stems. So, what I actually did, I did like 4 inches with the chenille pieces being apart. I did 4 inches. And for my poof, I think I'm going to do probably between 8 and 10 inches. Okay. So let me get started with this. So you want to say something? Once again, y'all, I got my baby girl with me. And she is itching to say something.
So, I was going to say one thing when my mom said something, but she had to finish. So, what I was about to say was going to be a quick question.
A quick question? Oh.
It's going to be quick, so...
Alright, y'all, so my first poof I'm going to put, if you can see it, I'm going to put that under here. And hide it, basically. If you can see that. Alright, and then I'm going to do about, you know, I got my measurement thing here. So you guys can see.
Oh.
So, excuse me. So, I'm going to do about, I'm going to do about 8 inches. If you guys can see that. I know you really can't see it. But I'm going to do about 8 inches here. For my poof.
That's 16 inches.
8 inches. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead with the second one. Okay, so it's about 8 inches there. Now you can do your measurements however you like. For me, this is what I like to do. These are the measurements that I like. And I haven't did a whole lot of these. So I'm still learning certain things or whatever. But I do like for my deco mesh wreaths, I do like for them to be full looking. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and finish the bottom and I'm come back when I'm ready to do the second level. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with the bottom. If you can see this, I'm pretty much done with the bottom. And I had to go back and I had to refigure my measurements. 8 inches of poof was a bit much. So I went back down to like between 4 and 5. So I'm more comfortable with that. Yeah, 8 was just a bit much for me or whatever. So, but I'm about to start on the second level here. So I'm just gonna go up. This is between the first and the second one. At the top. And I already gathered my poof, and I'm just going to tighten it up right here. So this will be this will be the first poof for the top. Okay?
Okay.
So, you can see that. Alright guys, so, and I know this cloth that I have on the table might be camouflaging this red a bit. I do apologize for that. But I'm going to go around and go ahead and finish the second one, and then I'll be back. Alright you guys, I'm back with the second row that I did. As you can see, it's much fuller. So I actually like my wreaths to be a little bit more fuller than this, especially so you won't be able to see the wreath form, the work form, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around and I'm going to add a third layer. And everything that I'm measuring is like I said, between 5. Everything I'm measuring is like between 5 and 6 inches.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do is just go back down in between. If you can see, go down in between. At the bottom, between the bottom and the top, to add the third one. Okay? The third set of poofs, if you can see that. So you rotate it, you go up, like I just went down to start it. So now I'm going to go back in between and I'm going to go up. I'm going to take the poof up. Alright guys, so, and just tease it out. I know it's kind of hard to see. But if you can see the difference here, on this side, it's much thicker than this side here. This is much thinner and that's thicker. That is what that third layer does. Alright, so I'm going to go around and finish it up. And once again, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So pretty much this is the finished product. Well, not the finished product. But this is the 3 layers that I like to have for my wreath. As you can see, it's a lot fuller than what it was before. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut this off right here. And I'm going to hide it in the back. If you can see. Yeah. So I'm done with that mesh. And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to hide it. The cut part, I'm just going to take it and hide it here. So you can't see it. And I'll fix the back when I'm done. And then throughout the process of me making this wreath, I'll be teasing this out. But I like this. This is pretty much it. I like my wreath to be full. And a lot of times the plain wreath look just as good as the wreath with, full of ornaments or whatever. But, of course, I can't just make this plain. I need something on it. Alright, peoples. I'm done with that. So, what we going to do next, Tanaya? I'm talking to my baby now, y'all. Alright, so... Now, I'm trying to determine if... Let me see that plaque.
Liz?
Yeah.
Let it snow.
Let it snow. You guys like that? I think I like that. But before I do that, I like this. What you think? You like that plain? You like it like this? Or we need to add something else on here? You know what? I think I want to add... Well,
I think...
I'm not sure.
I like it, but I want these on it.
Alright, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fix the back area, okay? So I'm going to take the loose chenelles that are in the front. I'm going to take these and I'm just going to add it to the back. add it back here. So I can hide them. Alrighty, so let me do this. If you could just see how I done this one, I pulled it from the front. You see that? And I added it to the back. This one here. I don't know if you can really see. I'm trying to get this at a good angle, guys, but look like I gotta do a lot of close-ups. Alright. For instance, this one here. See how loose it is at the front? I'm gonna take it around the back. And tie it to the back area, okay? And that's just to pretty much clean it up, if you can see that here. There. Okay? So I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I am back from cleaning up the chenille stems. As you can see the difference. Alright, so now guys, we're going to add, I'm going to go ahead and add this plaque to my wreath.
That's real good. Wait, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my wreath, okay? You guys look at that. And this wreath is not going to have a whole bunch of stuff on it. I just want to keep it kind of plain, simple, and cute.
So it can look pretty.
So it can look pretty?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my little one said so it can look pretty, okay? So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to add some glue to the back of this. And at the bottom.
Careful.
Okay.
Don't get no glue in your hands.
No, we don't want to do that, baby. This glue is hot. And you guys take precaution when you're using this glue because it is hot. And it burns if it get on your skin.
And did your skin come off?
No, you can peel it off.
What?
You can peel off the glue. Alrighty. Let me see here. Add a little bit more glue to it. Yeah, it's sticking. Yeah, my baby girl is over here eating a biscuit. She got hungry, so I gave her a biscuit. So she's smacking. You hear smacking, it's her. Alright guys, so here's the plaque. Hold on a second, let me move the glue gun. But this is the plaque in the center. I think that came out pretty good. That is cute. I like that.
The words are upside down.
Well, that's how I look on the camera. Alright guys, so the next thing we are going to do, put this aside. I am going to add, stop. I am going to add, hand me those.
I'm going to do those.
The little balls around it. So we're going to add, I'm not going to add any ribbons. I usually add ribbons to my wreaths. I'm not going to add any ribbons. I will add, I want to do something different. So I'm going to add the little cute glittery bulbs. And I had these last year, so.
They're still sparkly, guys.
So Naya, what you think? Just add them all around, right? That'd be cute. Just add them all around. Yep.
Yeah, I want
different colors,
so,
right?
So
all right, guys. So
I can do it.
Huh?
Do it.
No. You can't handle the glue. You can't handle the glue. You're too small for that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. So we're just gonna take the buds and just add them all around. If you can see, I'm sorry, I'm all off the camera.
It's gonna only see my mommy's hands and arms.
Alright, and I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna add the bulbs all around the wreath. I'm gonna alternate the colors. Here's a green color.
So we got green, red, and silver. I mean
Silver. That's not. What color is that? That's not silver.
golden.
Golden, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
So I got green, red, and golden.
Alright, you guys see this? That is lovely.
That is so cute.
That is really cute, right?
I don't think the.
So guys, what I'm gonna do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and add the balls around, and then I'll be back. Okay? Alright, you guys. So as you can see, guys, this is the finished product here. So for around the wreath, I put the smaller bulbs, and bring it in a little bit. At the top, you guys really can't see, but at the top I added in the bigger bulbs. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm happy you guys tuned in to watch my video. And again, thank you for all of my new subscribers. And my viewers, even though you didn't subscribe, you viewed. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for more creative DIY videos. We would love to have you here. All right, you want to say something? You want to say bye-bye to the people?
Bye, guys. I love you. Bye.
All right, guys, until the next time, God bless. All right, bye-bye.